Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to turn off message deliver tick mark on Messenger. So in order to turn off message deliver tick mark on Messenger, you have to follow the steps. Now there is no such direct way of doing it. However, you can try these alternative steps. First of all, when you're logged into your account, you could go to the tab bar icon and then go to your gear icon from the top right. Then you could simply go ahead and turn off your active status, and then you could just go ahead and make sure to toggle the button and turn off your active status. So if this is not a reliable method, then you can also try restricting the chats. So for that, long press on your messenger icon and then go to the restrict button. So when you actually restrict the following chat, then it's going to be deleted. And next thing, what else you can do is you can just go ahead and exit out of it, and you could long press on your messenger icon and go to the app info page, and then you need to go to permission. So you could go ahead and clearly turn off or do not allow the permissions such as messages and all that. Then you'll have successfully turned off message delivery tick mark on Messenger. So that is how you could go ahead and turn off message delivery tick mark on Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.